welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a back to school clothing haul, and I'm so excited about this video because I just went and picked my package up and it's a huge package and I absolutely love this company. So thank you to Junkyard for sending me these clothes. I absolutely love Junkyard and I've done quite a few videos with them before, and I get just as excited every time when they ask to collaborate with me because I just love their things so much. It's just my style, so you guys will like this, I think. I'm filming with natural lighting today, so the lighting might shift a little bit, but I'm gonna try and stay on top of it so it doesn't get too crazy. If you're new to my channel, hi, I upload every Wednesday and every Sunday. Hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. I will have all of these things linked down below so you can find them easily. If you're from Sweden, I have a coupon code which is Rebecca15 and it will give you 15% off when you buy things for over 500 krona, and you can use it up till 7 days after I publish this video. This is the big package I picked up today. Don't really know what the boy at the post office was thinking, but he probably thinks I'm a shopaholic, which I kind of am, but let's get into this video because it could be a long one by the looks of the size of this package.
Yes.
So the first thing I pull out is this. Now this is kind of like first reactions because I'm unboxing with you. I just opened the package, but I'm unboxing the things with you. So I got this jacket because, yeah, you'll see, I love it. So this is kind of a back to school / autumn haul because I got this jacket with autumn in mind because autumn is coming up and this is the softest thing I have felt in my life, so brace yourself.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
Okay, it's this like soft teddy material jacket, but it's honestly the softest thing I have felt. It's really hard to show black things, but I think you'll be able to see a bit better in the try on section. And it's got this little ring, silver ring as a zipper. It's from the Junkyard collection. I got it in an extra small because I am quite small, and yeah, it's just like quite long of a jacket. Oh, and it's got a zip at the bottom so it can go up as well. That's quite different. I just thought this jacket would be super cute for the autumn time, and it's got a hood which is great, which I've already said. I'm honestly so excited to try this on, and on the inside the material is just like this normal jacket material kind of. It's really soft here, but then here it's like normal. So exciting! Can't wait to try it on. I've said that like 50 times now. Next thing I pull out of the box is this, and I'm excited. I remember thinking that I need a new pair of trainers because I want to get back into the gym, and they have so many nice sneakers on Junkyard. So I got a pair. I can't remember which ones I got, but it says Adidas Originals here, so I'm guessing Adidas Originals. Oh wow, okay, yes. I like these a lot. I did good. Oh my god, yes! Perfect workout shoe. Like I know I said I wanted these for workout, but they're so cute, so I can like use them for everyday use as well. Wow, I am excited. These are Adidas Originals X I'll link them down below so you can see which ones they are, but I just got them in white with black stripes, and they look like they'd be really good walking and running and gym shoes, so that is great. And they're also super cute. On the back they look like that. I'm excited to try these, so thank you so much to Junkyard. I love you. Next thing I pull out of this bag, I'm so excited about. I've been wanting one of these for like 2 years now. I'm not even kidding. So let's open it up. This is so exciting. I'm sorry about all of the crunchy noises. I don't know why this is crunching. There's something in it. Yeah, there's stuff in it as well. Wow, cool. I'm so done with this lighting. Like, what is this? I'm so sorry, guys. I should have just done my ring light and put my blinds down, but I'm not that smart. So here we have a Nike windbreaker jacket, and I've just always thought these looked so cool. I know they're for like working out, but I'd like wear this when I'm not working out as like a cute little jacket because I like the sporty style. I hope I got the right size. I got it in a small and I want it to be a little bit oversized because I'm normally probably an extra small, so we'll see how this fits. I just want to try it on now. It's got a little hood and it's like really nice thin material, so I think it will be good if it's like A little bit windy, obviously, because it's a windbreaker. Well, I think it's a windbreaker. Yeah, and it's got like this material here. It's like sweat-proof material, I think. They have this on their website in different colours as well, but I just got black and white because I thought that was classic, and it will go with literally anything that I want to wear. It's got pockets with zippers, which is also really, really good for when you're out and about. If you don't want to lose your things, obviously, I presume you wouldn't want to lose your things when you're out and about, just because we're not about that life, are we? No. I don't know if I'm going into too much detail now about the jacket, but it's got like these muffs at the end, if you wanted to know that, and it's also got it at the front of the jacket, but then at the back it's just it just flows a bit like that. It also has drawstrings on the hood, so if it's really, really windy you can draw those, and it says Nike up there. Let's put it on now.
Yes, Gaga.
So the next thing I have is this really cute jumper, and this is also from Junkyard's own collection. So as you can tell, Junkyard have a lot of their own brand, but also so many different brands, like sport style brands and like Fila and just like really trendy brands and like skate style. I just love the style of their website. So this is the top that I got, and it's really lovely colours. I don't have anything this colour. It's like a nude shade with pink stripes, and I thought that was really okay. I love stripes, but I still don't have anything quite like this. It's cropped as well, which is great, and then it's got like big puffy long sleeves, which I really like, and then the little muff at the end. I don't know if it's called a muff, I just call it that for some reason because I don't know the word. Vocabulary, okay, sounded like I just said cabaret, we'll roll with it. And on it just has this little embroidered logo, and it just says fresh, because you mean when you're wearing this you're going to be fresher than everyone. So, and I got this in an extra small just in case you want to compare the sizes, but it looks pretty big and oversized, so that is why I got it in extra small. Really, really excited to wear that. I might wear that tonight. Next thing we pull out here is so exciting. It's my first feeler thing.
Yes.
Okay, cute. Oh my god, the material of this. Guys, the material of this feels so good. It's like firm but still stretchy and still like super, super soft at the same time. I am here for this. This is meant to be a tight feeler crop top, but they didn't have it in my size, so I got it in a medium, but that's fine because I don't mind when things are a bit loose. It's got navy blue at the bottom, then it's got white, it says feeler, and then red at the very top, and then a white collar, and I just think this looks really cute. And as you guys know, I quite love the sporty style, so I think this is gonna really suit my wardrobe and my style. I'm just so grateful for that Junkyard want to make videos with me. Like, I shop off Junkyard. Even when they don't send me things, I shop off them because I love them so much, so I feel blessed. I'm gonna stop rambling about this because we've got still more stuff. Okay, next thing, let's just open it before so I can show you it. I think this is from the men's section, probably is, but I don't care. It's so cute. Okay, look at it. Look at the back.
Yes. We up here.
So this is... Can I stop trying to be trendy? I'm like...
We up here.
Like, what? You didn't have to say that. Don't say it. So, yeah. This is this brand called Patagonia.
Patagonia.
Really, really don't know how to say it. Please, I know I butchered that. Don't come for me. And it says the same thing on the back. And let's see, I bet I got this in a small. I should have got it in an extra small. I can feel it. Yep, I got it in a small, in a men's small. Yeah, it just looks super, super oversized. Maybe I should have got an extra small, but I was thinking an extra small on a man can be quite small because men don't have boobs, and I do. So I was like, let's just get a small to be safe. And it's a long sleeved, which is really good for back to school now when the weather's gonna get a little bit colder in the autumn months. So very, very excited. If you're wondering why the lighting changed again, I rolled the blinds down and it's still f***ing with me. The last thing I have, I'm really scared about, and I took a risk, and it's not my style, but I really like it and I love it on other people. So this is what I got. You guys might be like, Becca, what the fuck? That's not your style. Rude. Yeah, you guys are probably looking at this and like, what the hell? That is not gonna suit you. And yeah, bear with me. I also think like that. Like, it probably won't suit me, but I would be stupid not to try because I love the blazer look. So yeah, This is a blazer. Got it in an extra small. Oh, it's soft. I like the material. Oh, I wasn't expecting this. Okay, I like the material. It's like soft and it feels good quality. And it looks like this. It's like an oversized blazer with pockets. I wish I knew what I wanted to style this with, but I don't. So I'm gonna experiment. Okay, so now I'm wearing it with the wrong thing. But I was thinking for the autumn time, it could be cute because this feels very autumnal for me. And then just like some boots and a pair of nice mum jeans or like flared jeans or something. I don't know, we'll see. I think she's cute. She's very different from everything else that I got, but she's like the original grandma of my pieces. Okay, let's stop talking like that. So that was everything I got and I am so happy with everything I got. I think I love every single piece. I hope you do too, and I hope you check out the links down below if you found anything that you like. And if you're from Sweden, I really hope you use my coupon code because, I mean, if you need a new autumn jacket, go get it now when you've got 15% off. Yeah, I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to follow my socials if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment your favorite thing as well. And here are the shout outs for today's video. I love you all so much. You guys are my angels. I don't have a name for you all. If you can think of a name, comment it down below. It's kind of cringe, so maybe not, but maybe do, you know. I wouldn't be mad if you commented a cute name that I could call you, but I mean, you don't have to. Just enough of me blabbering. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye. For those of you who stayed until the shit, the lighting. You know what? Let's just.
Love you, girl, do you feel the same?